Begin your journey toward total health and wellness at Resilience Integrative Services, where you will discover quality, holistic health care. CEO Mary Baca is joining us this morning with more information. Mary, pleasure to meet you.
You too.
Thank you for being with us. So, first, let's talk about what exactly holistic health care is.
Well, holistic healthcare is addressing a person's individual needs on a mental, physical, and emotional level.
Okay, and let's talk a little bit about the services that y'all provide at the center.
Well, we provide comprehensive services because we have a team of practitioners. You know, we provide anything from essential oils. I myself do holistic kinesiology, which is just a phenomenal modality to help people with their healthcare needs. We have a chiropractor on board, and even a psychic.
Really?
Yes.
Really? So it's a really
It's
comprehensive
very
holistic
comprehensive,
service.
and we even have pet services.
That's great. Yeah, I was
Yes.
going to ask you. So you do this for pets as well?
Right.
So let's talk a little bit about that because, you know, as we were saying during the break, my wife and I are very much into holistic health care, but we've never thought about it for our pets.
Sure.
So tell us a little bit about that.
Well, you know, when I was putting all this together, I mean, I'm a pet lover. I have 3 pets of my own, and they're like my kids, actually. So we didn't want to leave them out because pets are really important to a lot of people. So if you go to the website, you know, we have our whole, we have a menu of services specifically for pets. So like I do holistic kinesiology on dogs and cats, and you can also use essential oils and Bach flower essence oils. And then we have a practitioner too that does massage and energy balancing for animals as well.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, and emotion code, which is another modality.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, so as you said, this is a pretty cool operation, and it's not something that everyone can do in terms of medical fields.
Right.
So let's talk a little bit about your team.
Right.
So tell us about them.
Well, so my team, first of all, how I started putting them together is I've gotten holistic healthcare for the past 20 years for myself. I've always integrated into what I do for myself. So the initial team, like 98% of the team are people that I've actually received service from.
Really?
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And so they are people that I would refer and have referred my own family to.
Right.
And so, you know, if you feel comfortable doing
Exactly.
that, I
Yeah.
mean, you know.
Exactly. If you're going to put your care of your loved ones in their hands,
Right.
they got to be pretty good.
Absolutely.
That's great. Well, that's great. So now I understand that you've got a kind of a cool offer for our Tucasa style viewers.
Yes.
Is that right? What is that offer?
Absolutely. So we do a holistic consultation, and that normally is a $50 value, and it's very worthwhile because it's somebody sitting down with you and talking specifically about what you're looking for. Are you just wanting to dabble in holistic health and learn more about it, or do you actually have some healthcare needs that you want to address?
Right.
And that person sits down with you and talks about that. It would normally be $50, which still is a deal, but it's $25 now through December 20th.
That's great. And so, do they just mention they saw you on Tucasa Style when they called to get that?
They can call the phone number and just mention that, and
That's great.
that will be.
Well, that's great. And of course, the phone number, folks, you can reach them is area code 505-977-3112. And you can find them online at resilience-integrative.com. Mary, thank you so much for coming on, and thank you for providing the service.
Sure.